Fucking needles. That was fucking easy. Didn't even hurt at all. All right, job done. We just got the FreeStyle Libre. I believe it's called the FreeStyle Libre 2 actually. But that's gonna be my continuous glucose monitor. So from, what are we in? April 26th on a Monday. We're gonna go monitor my blood sugar for 14 days. So we're gonna track continuous monitoring of blood sugar. So whether it's from eating, from resting, whatever the case may be, post-exercise, midday, stressful events, we'll know how the blood sugar fluctuated. All right, here we go. This is going to be the FreeStyle Libre 14-day sensor, continuous glucose monitor. It's going to be going for 14 days from April 26th on, and I'm going to be tracking and update everyone on this alleged pre-diabetes status. There's my fasting glucose at 98 from 416, and as we can see, the range between 70 and 99, that's just not going to be acceptable for me. So we're going to find out. FreeStyle Libre, take one. So we're opening this delightful yellow box. Whoa, totally cool. It's got a lot of things in here to read. We're not going to read any of them. It's got a sensor, which hopefully comes with some batteries. Oh, by the way, no, you go to your cell phone and you download an app. And the app is called, so it might not even need a sensor, it might work with the cell phone. And the app is called FreeStyle Libre Link. I got it somewhere in the middle here. Whoa. Way more stuff. Lots of stuff. So it's got a USB cord and a charger. And then we get to the box that probably matters more, or most. There it is. This thingy that we push down on, and this thingy that we open up. Alcohol wipes, because we got to keep everything sterilized. So, we do this. We take this out. I have broken the seal. I lined up the thingamabobbers. This is now loaded. So this is loaded. There's a needle in it. We're gonna go up to the top of the tricep and hit it with some alcohol. Gonna let it dry real good. Fucking needles. That was fucking easy. It didn't even hurt at all. The sensor's on. English, 26, 2021. Time, we'll go ahead and put the time in. It'll ask target glucose range. I'm going to put mine at just under 90 at 89. So it said, new sensor starting up. Sensor can be used in 60 minutes. So we're going to check in 1 hour. And my cell phone took a scan as well. So this went ahead and scanned it. So the sensor's ready, so it needs an hour. Yeah, so there it is, guys. Just that easy to get your continued glucose monitor on your arm. It was absolutely painless, I promise you, and I didn't like the needle. I started getting a little nervous, and The sensor that comes with it, with its USB, you don't even need it because that's an extra thing to carry. You just have to download the app, which is FreeStyle Link. I'll actually tell you the name of the app right now. It's the yellow one. It's the yellow, just like this, Libre Link. And then in 1 hour you start getting your sensors. By the minute, each minute. Totally convenient, totally worth it, so that you don't have to rely on one blood test or one A1C to tell you that you need to start injecting yourself with medicine, i.e. insulin, or making drastic changes. Let's monitor your glucose. Let's find out what's really making you insulin sensitive, what's really potentially time of the day that you're a little bit more resistant. That way you need to know if it's going to be exercise, or if it's going to need to be cutting out additional fruit, if it's going to need to cut out the pasta, if it's going to need to be cutting out the candy bar, if it's going to need to be cut out all the extra protein. Okay, it's time for you guys to do this, to take advantage and find out what the real reason is.